हाँ चलो
थैंक यू सॉरी
हाँ चलो
सॉरी
Ahan Pandey and Aneet Pad, the fresh faces behind the blockbuster Sayara, are winning hearts both on and off screen. The Mohit Suri directorial, released on 18th July, has become one of the highest-grossing films of the year, turning Ahan and Aneet into overnight sensations. Audiences loved their chemistry and powerful performances. But now, their off-screen bond is also creating a buzz. Just days ago, the duo was spotted shopping in Mumbai and they weren't alone. Ahan's mother, Dhyan Pandey, was with them too. A sweet moment caught everyone's attention. Ahan offered his hand to Aneet, but quickly pulled it back, realizing they were being recorded. And now, Ahan and Aneet were again puppet outside a Mumbai restaurant. Though they posed separately, both flashed their million-dollar smiles for the cameras. Looks like it was another cozy dinner outing for the Sayara stars. This outing has only added more fuel to those dating rumors. But what truly won hearts was a viral video from the same night. Ahan Pandey was seen handing over money to a needy person outside the venue. Fans are loving his kind gesture.
हाँ चलो
थैंक यू सॉरी
The clip quickly went viral, with netizens praising Ahan for his humility and generosity.
हाँ चलो
थैंक यू सॉरी
From box office success to real-life kindness, looks like Ahan and Aneet are winning in every way.
हाथ पीछे लो ना थोड़ा पीछे चलो बस एक मिनट बस अरे हट जा
Bollywood actor Shilpa Shetty Kundra and her husband, businessman Raj Kundra, have landed in legal trouble once again. The couple, along with an unidentified individual, has been booked by the Economic Offences Wing (EOW) of the Mumbai Police for allegedly defrauding a Mumbai-based businessman in a loan-cum investment deal. According to the police report, the complaint involves a 60.4 crore rupees investment into their now-defunct company Best Deal TV PVT Ltd. Businessman Deepak Kothari has alleged that between 2015 and 2023, the couple misappropriated the funds meant for business expansion and instead diverted them for personal use. The case was first registered at the Juhu police station under cheating and forgery sections, but later transferred to the EOW as the amount exceeded 10 crore rupees. According to the complaint, the accused initially sought a 75 crore rupees loan at 12% interest. Later, they allegedly convinced Kothari to treat the money as an investment for tax benefits, with promises of monthly returns and principal repayment. Kothari claims he was introduced to the couple by Rajesh Arya. At the time, Shilpa and Raj were directors of the company, holding 87.6% of its shares. He transferred 31.9 crore rupees in April 2015 and another 28.53 crore rupees in September 2015. Although Shilpa gave a personal guarantee in 2016, she resigned as director a few months later. In 2017, the company went into bankruptcy proceedings. Responding to the allegations, the couple's lawyer Prashant Patil said, At the outset, my clients deny all the allegations, which are purely civil in nature and have been adjudicated by the NCLT Mumbai on 4 October 2024. He continued, "This is an old transaction, there is no criminality involved. All supporting documents and cash flow statements were submitted." Calling the case baseless and malicious, the lawyer said, "This is nothing but a baseless and malicious case aimed at maligning our clients. Appropriate action is being initiated from our side." The EOW investigation is currently underway, and more details are expected in the coming days. Big news from the worlds of cricket and business. Arjun Tendulkar, the son of cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar, is officially engaged. The young cricketer is now betrothed to Sania Chandok, the granddaughter of prominent Mumbai businessman Ravi Ghai. The engagement was a private affair, attended only by close friends and family members from both sides. While the couple has maintained a low profile, the celebration has quickly become the talk of the town, especially among fans of the Tendulkar family. At 25, Arjun Tendulkar is carving his own path in the world of cricket. A left-arm fast-bowling all-rounder, Arjun represents Goa in domestic cricket and has previously played for the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League (IPL). His journey began with Mumbai in the 2020-21 season before he moved to Goa to further his opportunities in red ball and list A formats. His fiancée, Sania Chandok, is known to keep a low public profile. She hails from one of Mumbai's most respected business families. The Ghai family holds a significant presence in the hospitality and food industry, owning the luxury Intercontinental Hotel and the popular ice cream brand Brooklyn Creamery. While the couple took the spotlight with their engagement, it was Sara Tendulkar, Arjun's sister, who made waves on social media with her stunning appearance at the event. A photo of Sara in a pink sari embroidered with golden work went viral, capturing the attention of fans and fashion enthusiasts alike. Known for her elegance and understated style, Sara paired her rich traditional outfit with minimal yet flawless makeup. Her soft curls, glowing skin, and effortless poise made her one of the most talked about guests of the evening. Social media was abuzz, with fans flooding the comments section with praise, calling her mesmerizing, radiant, and every bit a diva. With celebrations underway and the couple stepping into a new chapter, well-wishers from across the country are sending their love and blessings to Arjun Tendulkar and Sania Chandok. Global star Priyanka Chopra's recent selfie taken at Hyderabad airport has gone viral on social media, but not for the usual reasons. Fans say she looks almost unrecognizable in the photo, which has sparked a lot of chatter online. In the picture, Priyanka, dressed in all black and wearing a cap, posed for a selfie with a fan as she entered the airport. However, the lighting and angle made her look quite different from her usual self. After the selfie spread online, Priyanka faced some harsh trolling about her appearance. But many fans quickly came to her defense. One social media user wrote, "Why are people being mean for no reason? At this light angle, many PPL get dark circles and dark spots more enhanced." Another added, "It's just the angle the photo is taken and plus lighting also makes a lot of difference." Most important to note that she is a 43-year-old woman. The public needs to accept aging of their beloved stars. One netizen summed it up perfectly: "If she refuses for a selfie when she isn't put together, she is rude. If she does, she is ugly. Female celebrities can never win." Another said, "Bad angle, bad shadows. Everyone needs to calm down." This incident reminds us how even stars like Priyanka Chopra, who is 43 years old, face the harsh realities of public scrutiny, and how important it is to be kind and understanding. Priyanka was recently in Hyderabad shooting for her upcoming film SSMB 29, now titled Globetrotter. The sci-fi drama is directed by S.S. Rajamouli and stars Mahesh Babu and Prithviraj Sukumar in key roles. Fans are eagerly waiting for the first teaser, set to release this November. That's the latest on Priyanka Chopra. What do you think about the trolls and fans' defense? Let us know in the comments.